Good morning. I want to put clothes on. That's better. I got some Olin Rogers apparel on. Yeah. See you at school.
Nice.
I'm gonna go teach some kids a lesson.
Do it.
This is gonna be the greatest day ever. Lucas, catch. Hey guys.
Hey babe. Oh my gosh. How's it going?
Good.
Very uncomfortable right now.
You're the worst. I didn't even know.
Oh, I love your shirt, by the way.
Oh, thanks. I just locked myself in a closet, and this closet doesn't have a handle on it, so at least I don't have to do anything. Yeah. Okay. Is anyone out there? There's no handle in here. What? You're kidding, it's locked? The door's locked on the outside and there's no handle on the inside. Thank you, Mrs. Dykstra.
Dawson!
That's why there's no playing.
I'm thankful for you guys.
Yeah, there is no handle on it.
I'm thankful for you guys. I would just like to say that was the best American Lit period ever.
Like I do every other.
I blew my horn in the middle of class.
Why'd you put it like...
I had it in my shirt so he didn't see it.
I know, but should you give them a little bit of context to why that happens?
Her iPad went off. Made a little noise.
Because he told me, well, he didn't actually tell me, but I wanted to download an app that he told me to get, and then it like had music with it, and I had it turned up, and so it like was like, and then I was like, oops.
So to cover her mistake up, I honked my horn. It was pretty great. Yeah. Come on, Ben, dance with me. You won't. Oh! Ollie! Here, stand up. I don't know, but we're doing it. I'm still at school. I was watching the 8th grade play, and I have no way of getting home. Who's home? What's the password?
Knock knock.
This is Aileen. It's spelled the same as alien, but his name's Aileen. I made him back when I was a 4th grader, 3rd grader. Made him at the community center. Yeah. He's a really nice guy. You should get to know him. Someday he'll be in one of the The Potato Chip Chronicles. Probably save the world. I may feel like a bloody hug, but my dad is gonna take me to his work so that we can upload yesterday's vlog. I love you, Daddy. I just want to say I love you. Are you ready to go? Yeah. If you felt like you just fell into a car commercial, you did. Isn't it cool? Yeah, it's cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So we just got home from my dad's work, and now me and my mom are gonna go pick up Mira. I'm gonna drive. I just got home from picking up my sister, and today has been a good day. I have loads of things to do, but nothing of any importance. So here is where I end my form of self-expression in the media of film. I love you guys, I love Jesus, and good night.